Karibu tena mtazamaji, na sasa tuelekee viwanjani. Ferdinand Omanyala alimaliza katika nafasi ya 3 kwenye mbio za mita 100 katika mashindano ya riadha Kip Keino Classic yaliyoandaliwa katika uwanja Ulinzi hapa Nairobi. Lilian Odira alishinda mbio za mita 800 naye Wiseman Were akishinda mbio za mita 400.
Of course we expected faster but anyway it's already gone. So now we are going into the next phase. Now we are going to do things that we haven't done.
I had a good build up in the cross country season. I did so many cross country 2 kilometers loops, so now I'm going to focus on my speed. This was my race opener, 800 meters race opener of the season. So I'm going to work on my speed.
For now I have already gotten the qualification for Tokyo. I'm going to work hard, improve so that I can be in the team and go to Tokyo.
Next I'm looking forward to the running Diamond Leagues to better my times and see in World Champs.
Athletics is our dominant sport as Kenyans, and as ABSA, that's why we are really proud to support this sport. So today we have an exciting field of athletes. We also have really good vibe, entertainment, really a good Saturday to come and watch our athletes do what they do best, and that is win.
Kwingineko, shirikisho la kandanda nchini FKF liliandaa kongamano la kitaifa leo hii hapa Nairobi. Rais wa shirikisho hilo Hussein Mohamed amesema